Today, I am going to show you exactly how to find missing or not visible Google Drive files on this video on PMN Online. Imagine this. You've uploaded an important document to Google Drive, and when you need it the most, it seems to have vanished into thin air. It's a scenario that can be both frustrating and time-consuming. But don't worry, there are some straightforward steps you can take to locate those elusive files and bring them back into view. Let's dive into these methods to help you recover your lost documents as efficiently as possible. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Google Drive homepage. Simply open a new browser tab and navigate to the Google Drive website. Once there, you'll be greeted with a familiar interface, where your files are typically organized in a neat and orderly fashion. However, if you're not seeing everything you expect, don't fret. We're going to explore some hidden areas you might not have considered checking before. The next step involves checking the bin, which is Google's version of the trash or recycle bin. Occasionally, files that appear to have vanished might have been accidentally deleted or moved to this bin. It's a common occurrence, so let's ensure this isn't the case for your missing files. Once you open the bin, you might find your lost files nestled there. Restoring them is a breeze. Just right-click on the file and select the Restore option. This action will promptly return them to their original location. While you're in the bin, pay attention to the top section where you can adjust how your files are arranged. By clicking on Modified, you have the power to sort your files by the date they were last altered. This feature is particularly useful because it can provide a clearer picture and help those missing files resurface, especially if they've been residing in the bin for quite some time. If you still haven't located the missing files, don't lose faith. Google Drive offers the option to sort files by various time frames under the Modified tab. You have the flexibility to display files from the last 7 days, the last 30 days, or even the entire past year. If none of these options seem suitable, you can always customize the date range to match your specific needs. This is especially helpful when dealing with older documents that you may not access frequently. Finally, after selecting the appropriate date range, consider clicking on Name to organize your files alphabetically. This step is particularly beneficial if you're searching for something specific. The alphabetical order can help you quickly pinpoint any file that might have been overlooked earlier, giving you a clearer line of sight to the document you need. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to locate any files that seem to have gone missing in Google Drive. It's always a good idea to periodically check your bin and ensure that nothing important is getting deleted by accident. These tips should assist you in managing and retrieving your Google Drive files more effectively. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to find missing or not visible Google Drive files. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.